tunay na Filipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pangbato, pumunta ng LA nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain nagkakamay, yung kanin chicken adobo, yung balot binibenta sa kanto.
It's Wally, your MECHA president. For this year's International Week, we wanted to share with you our favorite parts about our culture.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Ruiz. I am MECHA's treasurer. What I really love about our culture is our traditional dances, our traditional foods, especially. For example, our empanadas are really amazing. I think our foods is like what really stands out to the public, and also has brought many Hispanic communities to open up their own business because of this. And that's why I love our traditional foods.
Hi, my name is Juanita Oñata Alvarado, and my favorite thing about the Hispanic culture is the food, the clothes,
Espérame.
the clothes and fashion, and the music.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Gore, and I hope you've all been having a great International Week so far. I am part of VSA, which is the Vietnamese Student Association, and I just wanted to share a little bit about my favorite part of being Vietnamese. So, in my family, the most important part of being Vietnamese is our family, which sounds really simple, but that is that. Because I feel like it is when we all get together, sit down at a table, have a good talk, enjoy the good food. That is when we share our greatest moments together, because we're either laughing at a joke or seeing one of our relatives' kids being able to speak for the first time, or bragging about our accomplishments, or even just talking about our worries, because I think the most important part of family is sharing your burdens with each other, because our family will always support us no matter what, and that is my favorite part of being Vietnamese in the new year.
Hi, I'm Jessica T, and I'm extremely proud to be Vietnamese, especially during these times when we've been resilient and it's brought us closer than we've ever been before as a community.
I love being Vietnamese because it helps me embrace my cultural identity. Although I live in America, my parents have still taught me all there is to know, from our food all the way to our traditional values, and I appreciate them for doing so. The fact that our tradition is family-based helps me appreciate my elders even more, and everything they've done for us has been amazing. I just hope that with the knowledge I have, I could pass it on to future generations, and they too can appreciate the customs and cultures I have learned as well.
I like being Viet because the food is good.
Hi, I'm Kylie, and what I love about being Viet is the food and traditional outfits like the Ao Dai, and celebrating Tet every year with my family.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I love being Vietnamese because of the food, traditions, and our community.
Hi, my name is Katie, and I love being Vietnamese because we have such a unique culture and a long history, and our parents have the best immigration stories, and also our food is really good.
I love being Vietnamese because our culture, heritage, and stories are so exciting to learn about, and our food is also really good.